Hey guys, I hope that you're doing well and you're having a wonderful week. We wanted to give you a quick update on our current situation and let you know where we're at in the renovation process. If you haven't gotten to take a look at our house tour yet and to see our villa in its entirety, go take a look here and we'll link it in the description as well. We hope that you really enjoyed it and that you were able to really get an idea of what the villa is like and all of the construction and renovation that's ahead. It's been 4 months since we purchased the property and we are really looking forward to starting construction. We are also going to be moving into the villa in 2 weeks. I know it's going to be very stressful, but it will pay off in the long run because we will be able to see and be a part of the construction and to make decisions much easier because we won't be so far away. Right now we live in the province of Pistoia, an hour away from the villa. We're about 40 minutes from Florence and it's been great living here for the past couple of years, but we're really ready to make the move to our forever home by the sea. One of the main issues before we move in is the fact that we don't have water right now. It's a huge problem. We can't really live without water. The wonderful thing is we do have electricity, it's running. The solution that we have is to go ahead and put a temporary line in so that we have it to the first floor, which is considered the second floor in the United States. We're going to be taking up a small section of the apartment, which will allow us to be there, but also be separated from all of the construction that's going on. So we're looking forward to the fact that we're going to be there. We're going to be able to do a lot more when it comes to cleaning and even just keeping tabs on the construction. It just puts our minds at ease. We will be finished with the bottom floor by June 20th. It's a really big deal. I'm super happy that we found really capable people and we've surrounded ourselves with people that we can call at a moment's notice, which is so important during this renovation process. It's been difficult to find somebody that we can really trust, and we think that this contractor is really on board with us and the construction company as well. This is a really big deal for us. This is a huge investment. We're in our early 30s, so we have the rest of our lives to live and we don't want to put ourselves in a bad financial position because we made a wrong step during this process. We knew that designing the villa was going to be a huge task, so we headed to Valencia for a trade show to collect inspiration and find new and interesting designers. It was cool to see how different design is in Europe from the United States. We found so many amazing Spanish and Portuguese furniture designers at Habitat 2022. Overall, the show was amazing, and we found everything from office furniture to special pieces and cabinetry. We realize that it will take time and be a long process to design and furnish the villa. It was wonderful going to Valencia and seeing everything, not to mention that the city was gorgeous. There's going to be so much to see and so many places to show you. We can't wait to take you along every step of this journey and show you the progress of our renovation in Tuscany.